Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to deactivate your Instagram account. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open Instagram and tap on top right three dots. When you click on top right three lines, here you have to click on top account center. When you click on your account center, here you have to scroll down a bit and here you have to click on personal detail. When you click on your personal detail, here you have to click on account ownership and control. Now here you have to click on deactivate and delete account. After that, here you have to select your account which you want to deactivate. Now here you have to select deactivate account and click on continue button at the bottom. After that, here you have to add password. Now here you have to add your account password. After adding your account password, you have to click on continue button at the bottom. In this way you can deactivate your Instagram account.